What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just got back from washing the truck, and I was just using some real simple products, just dish soap, just a bucket and some water, and I was also using some super clean. That's some degreaser. That's to decontaminate the surface from all road grime, bugs, grease from the hands, or anything that might cause any fisheye on the paint. So and also just to help with the sandpaper not clogging, and also over here, like when I'm gonna tape for like the fender wells or anything like that for plastic before paint, clean surface for the tape to adhere to. But I also used a little scuff pad, just a little scuff pad just to like clean it, and you can see it took off a lot of the primer. You can see the spray patterns. They didn't do a really good job priming this one, but it took off a lot of the primer. But today we're gonna go ahead and start sanding the truck. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use like 220. I'm gonna use 220 to just sand the whole truck, and then after that, that's where I'm gonna use the superfill primer just to spray it real thick coat. That way we can block sand it. And of course, there's a little dent right here in the hood, some rock chips that we need to sand all this down. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and just get some sandpaper, some sanding blocks, and just start sanding everything down. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Here we go. Yeah, guys, so check it out. Started sanding the truck all the way around, and this passenger fender is done. This passenger door, everything on top is done. There's this patch right here in the bottom. It's very thin. It's very thin. It just felt like a little wave or something in there. So I just threw like a glaze of body filler, and I'm sanding it down with the Durablock, just to try to straighten it out a little bit. Same thing goes for over here on top. I went ahead and sanded the whole rooftop over here, so everything's all good. This piece right here, there was a few little dings, so I threw a little bit of body filler. It still needs a little bit of work, but you know, it's going like really good. Over here on this side, this door is sanded. Few little touch-ups that I need to finish off. This one, the hood, there's still this little pieces right here. I guess when they close the hood, puts pressure right there and it just starts bending. Right here in front there was also a few dings, so I'm also gonna throw body filler right there, just so I can block sand it, just make sure it's straight. But yep, everything on the truck is sanded. I just need to finish off I just need to finish off right here the hood, and you know, some touches as I mentioned. But right now I'm like really tired, so I don't know how far in the video I'm at right now, but we'll just call it a video right now. And that's it. Yeah, that backside, not a whole lot of imperfections since it was in between the bed and the cab, so there's not like rock chips or anything like that. But I am gonna sand it with a 320 or something like that, and it doesn't really need the like the filler. I mean, not the filler, like the body filler, but like the primer, the super fill. It doesn't need it back here. Same thing for the door jambs. I did the door jambs, like I washed them, and you know, I still need to clean them, but I'm just gonna do like a 320, like all the way around. I washed them because right here, the rubber part, the weather seal or something, there's dirt that accumulates like in here, right here, and everything, and you know, I don't like sanding. I don't like sanding with dirt like that. Finish the sandpapers like a lot faster. But yep, the door jambs, everything on the inside, I'm just gonna do a 320 because I'm only gonna spray sealer like on the door jambs. Out here, just the outside of the body, that's where I'm gonna spray the super fill, the high build primer. That way I can block sand it again. But after all the body work is done, like right here, that's what I'm just doing. I'm just sanding and just doing all the body work. So you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just gonna continue. I'm almost done anyways. I'm just gonna continue, like finish off sanding some little bits and pieces here and there, leave like some of the body fillers, leave everything just smooth and ready to go. And next video, guys, the plan is to spray the superfill, the Autobahn superfill. So it's a black primer, really thick. So that's what we're gonna do in the next video. So that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate all you guys watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. That's it. Peace out.